Tired of struggling to perfectly align objects in your Illustrator designs? Let's learn how to snap objects to ensure pixel-perfect alignment using Snap to Grid and Snap to Object. First, let's enable the Grid feature. To have the Grid feature appear, go up to the menu bar, click on View, and then select Show Grid. This visual grid will appear on your artboard, acting as guides for object placement. The next step is to enable Snap to Grid. Stay in the View menu and select Snap to Grid. This ensures that when you move an object, it will automatically align with the grid intersections. Now, grab any shape tool and start creating. As you draw or move objects around, they'll snap to those grid intersections, making alignment a breeze. Next, let's discover how to use Snap to Object. Snap to Object allows your shapes to snap to each other and other objects. For this, navigate to the View menu and select Snap to Object. With Snap to Object enabled, when you drag or create a new shape, you'll see it automatically align to the edges, anchor points, and center points of other objects. This feature is invaluable for precise arrangements. You can now move or create objects, and when they hover over other objects, the snapping function will activate. You will see hints such as anchor, path, intersect, and center when snapping to each other. By using Snap to Grid and Snap to Object, you can quickly and accurately align objects, saving you time and creating professional designs. So experiment with those features and unlock the full potential of precise object placement in your Adobe Illustrator projects.